2021 Ferrari F8 Tributo. The Ferrari F8 Tributo was introduced in 2019 as a replacement for the 488 GTB. Here are some of the key features and specifications of the 2021 Ferrari F8 Tributo. Engine. The F8 Tributo is powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. It produces around 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. Performance. The F8 Tributo is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 2.8 seconds. It has a top speed of around 211 miles per hour. Transmission. The car features a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for quick and precise gear changes. Aerodynamics. The F8 Tributo incorporates advanced aerodynamics for improved downforce and stability. Features like the S-duct on the front end help manage airflow for enhanced performance. Chassis. It utilizes Ferrari's lightweight and rigid aluminum chassis for optimal handling. The introduction of various electronic aids and systems helps improve overall driving dynamics. Interior. The interior is designed for a driver-focused experience with a mix of luxury and performance. High-quality materials and craftsmanship are used throughout the cabin. Infotainment and connectivity. The F8 Tributo comes equipped with a modern infotainment system. It may feature a touchscreen display, navigation, and connectivity options. Suspension. The car is equipped with a sophisticated suspension system to balance comfort and performance. Adaptive dampers and other technologies contribute to a refined driving experience. Brakes. High-performance braking systems, often featuring carbon ceramic discs, are standard for the F8 Tributo. Exterior design. The F8 Tributo has a distinctive and aerodynamically optimized exterior design. It carries the characteristic styling elements of a mid-engine Ferrari sports car. Please note that specifications and features can vary, and it's advisable to check with Ferrari or a reliable source for the most up-to-date and accurate information, as newer models or updates.